दोस्तों कैसे आप दोस्तों, आज हम ज़बरदस्त एक वीडियो देखने वाले हैं। ये है कि फ्रांस डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफर टू हेल्प इंडिया बिल्ड न्यूक्लियर सबमरीन। यार इतना बड़ा डील किया है फ्रांस ने इंडिया को, तो ये पूरी वीडियो देखेंगे, फिर देखेंगे इस वीडियो के पहलू क्या है और किस लिहाज से ये बनी है। पूरी वीडियो हमारे साथ देखिएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
वाह,
सबमरीन। फ्रेंच डिफेंस मिनिस्टर टू विजिट इंडिया। ओ फ्रांस।
बिल्कुल।
French and India set to bolster defense. Will France offer nuclear submarine tech to India? से बना के नहीं देगी इंडिया को, सिखाएगी भी कैसे।
To expand its options as far as defense equipment procurement is concerned. So while Russia remains a traditional ally with whom India's defense cooperation dates back to decades, newer players have emerged in the field. Israel and France, apart of course from the United States of America, that has not just been pushing for greater cooperation in the defense sector, but has also been bearing upon India that India needs to look at allies like America over Russia. But let's talk about France. And why so? Because the French defense minister is visiting India this week. Now, while the Rafale deal, and we're taking that as an example here, was marred in political controversy, both sides, that is the governments of France as well as India, stood their ground. The deal went through as well. Meanwhile, there have been certain developments of late which have brought France and India closer as far as Indo-Pacific and maritime cooperation is concerned. And this development has been the coming together of three countries in a military alliance called the AUKUS. The alliance is between Australia, UK and the US. And it clearly miffed France, primarily because a deal between France and Australia over nuclear submarines fell through because of this new alliance that was suddenly announced in September. Under the AUKUS, which is primarily meant to counter China in the Indo-Pacific, America will be supplying Australia nuclear-powered submarines. France was so upset that it asked its American as well as Australian envoy to leave. Meanwhile, at the same time, the French President Emmanuel Macron dialed Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The timing of it was unmissable because it was around the same time as the AUKUS was announced. And both the leaders discussed Indo-Pacific as well as greater maritime cooperation. And the discussions were not just left at that. A month and a half later, in November, NSA Ajit Doval traveled to France. He met with the advisor to the president as well as the defense and the foreign minister. All of them discussed Indo-Pacific as well as maritime cooperation. In fact, France was one of the first few countries to have even asked for a liaison officer to be placed at the Indian Fusion Center that looks at the Indian Ocean region here in India in Gurgaon. The cooperation has been close and it is just getting further accelerated because of the newer developments. So here are some of the main goals of this visit as per the French side. Firstly, to talk about the Indo-Pacific strategy with India at its core. Also, to emphasize on the fact that this is defending of the rule of law and also providing a positive agenda to the countries in the region. Secondly, EU's presidency will be taken over by France on the 1st of January 2022. This is a rotational presidency that France will be taking over. Therefore, setting the agenda, build on these points, that is Indo-Pacific included in that in the EU strategy. Talking to India about this strategy, also reaffirming the close ties between India and the European Union. And finally, the defense cooperation that we have been talking about, which will be taken up further as far as Make in India projects is also concerned, and specifically talk about deliveries as well. For instance, the Rafale, which have been delivered,
ये शायद
as
डिलीवरी
well
पूरी
as
नहीं कर पा रहा
Scorpene
फ्रांस
class
या
submarines. Now,
कोई
in
इंडिया
this
को मिला भी है,
context,
रफाल
since
भी अभी
India
तक
and
नहीं
France
मिला।
have been close partners as far as submarine technology is concerned, it is expected that there could perhaps, after AUKUS and the fallout of that between France and Australia, be talk about nuclear powered submarines between India and France as well. Further developments on that are awaited and certainly something that will be very keenly watched.
यार बड़ी आउटस्टैंडिंग डील होने जा रही है नदीम। देखो ना तुम के इंडिया के पास पहले भी दुनिया के बेहतरीन हथियार हैं और अभी न्यूक्लियर सबमरीन की अगर फ्रांस ऑफर कर रहा है, अगर ये डील इनकी हो जाती है तो फिर तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी ताकत ये हो जाएगी, क्योंकि समंदर में भी इनके पास एक ऐसी सबमरीन होगी जो न्यूक्लियर पावर रखती होगी। और आउटस्टैंडिंग है यार ये जो प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया वाले आगे आगे डिफेंस में अपने करते हैं। इससे पहले वो उनका जो ऑक्यस सब के साथ एक मुआहदा था जो इनकी हेल्प करते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड और अमेरिका। तो उसके बाद अगर फ्रांस उनको खुद कह रहा है कि हमारे साथ ये डील करो, तो इसका मतलब है इंडिया के पास कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा जरूर देने को होता है जो उन ममालिक को भी चाहिए होता है।
साफ ज़ाहिर सी बात है, फिर
पैसे के साथ साथ मफाद भी
होता
क्योंकि चाइना को भी तो इन्होंने टैकल करना है ना, उसके लिए इनको बेहतरीन दुनिया के हथियार चाहिए। और जिस तरह ये सब कुछ डील्स हो रही है, मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया के पास वो सब कुछ होगा जो एक सुपर पावर कंट्री के पास होता है, जितने ये डील्स कर रहे हैं। अभी रफाल की भी सुनी थी, वो भी फ्रांस से दुनिया का बेस्ट हथियार है, शायद कुछ मिल गए उनको या आने वाले हैं। अब देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है। इस वीडियो से तो हमने ये देखा कि इंडिया दिन ब दिन बहुत ज़्यादा ताकतवर होता जा रहा है। तो उम्मीद करते हैं आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। अपना ख्याल रखें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय बाय।